Uzelac Industries is a dynamic design-build manufacturing company based in Greendale, Wisconsin. The company was founded in 2003 by Mike Uzelac, who remains the president and CEO. Great companies have great foundations of strength. Industrial Metal Fab was the first company Mike brought into the organization. This metal fabrication contracting firm brought a long history of experience, knowledge, and skill to Uzelac Industries. Shortly following was the acquisition of Dusky Drying Systems. DDS had over 2 decades of successfully supplying direct-fired rotary dryers, mostly to the rendering industry. Since 2003, Uzelac Industries has continued to serve the existing customer base, but has been aggressive and innovative to supply direct-fired rotary dryers to a wide cross-section of industries and customers. One constant still remains today and will follow our growth into the future. The heart of our business is people. Our customers include companies such as Tyson, Cargill, and General Atomics. They all can attest to our core values of integrity, customer satisfaction, and innovation. Need for innovation. That is exactly what brought us to the problem each waste treatment plant operator is experiencing, and is not going away: disposal of the sewage sludge. This problem repeats itself daily, and the management of the problem continues to get more difficult and more expensive. There are 3 choices that WWTP operators have: agricultural land application, landfilling, incineration. Each one of these methods faces ongoing challenges in addition to a large carbon footprint. Land application is the most common of all management methods. Approximately 45% of all biosolids are managed by this method. The sensitivity of the public and media to land application means allegations to public health and environmental impacts from biosolids, while not necessarily accurate, will be routinely addressed. Approximately 28% of biosolids are disposed of in municipal solid waste landfills. Landfilling is an option in many areas of the country where hauling and tipping fees are low, or where it is the only management option currently available to a public agency. Landfills have a finite capacity, and siting new landfills can be a very difficult and expensive process. Incinerators manage approximately 17% of biosolids. Generally, incineration has been demonstrated to result in an 80 to 95% reduction in volume, the effective destruction of pathogens, the degradation of organic compounds, and the production of a sanitary, odorless, non-hazardous byproduct, ash. Challenges encountered when choosing the incineration option involve negative public perception, fuel prices, and capital equipment costs. Although this method may be the most effective, it is the most controversial. There simply needs to be a better alternative. Anaerobic digestion is the present method for recovering energy. Anaerobic digesters are expensive to build and operate, and only recover a portion of the energy that is available in the biosolids. What if you could recover all of the energy available? We know that the digestion method only recovers slightly more than 1,000 BTUs of heating value. There are over 7,000 BTUs available in biosolids. Innovation equals solutions. Uzelac Industries has engineered a process utilizing long-existing technologies that will be a more cost-effective, better alternative to the incineration systems currently operating, while greatly reducing the carbon footprint. And while accomplishing green initiatives, we do so at a fraction of the CapEx cost, virtually taking daily operating costs out completely. We would like to introduce the next best alternative to biosolids management, the Uzelac BMS system. Here's how it works. Wet sludge, containing 25% solids or more, is fed into the drying system after mixing recycled dry product. The sludge moves through the system, where the moisture is removed. At the end of the dryer, the dried biosolids will be 90% solids, thus creating a fuel very similar to the BTU value of lignite coal. The dried fuel is then conveyed back to a stoker burner, where it is completely combusted. The heat that is generated is fed back into the dryer to continue producing fuel. In this process, a portion of the dry fuel is also mixed with the wet sludge to prevent binding of the wet sludge. Exhaust gases from the dryer are cleaned using state-of-the-art air control equipment, leaving a clean gas stream that meets all applicable EPA standards. The BMS has major advantages over all of the present methods of biosolids management. Comparatively low capital investment, many times less than 25% of the cost of sewage sludge incinerators. Greatly reduced ongoing operating costs. Fossil fuel costs are virtually eliminated. All based on proven technologies. Each technology incorporated into the design has been successfully employed for decades in other applications. So, how well does dried sewage sludge burn? In short, very well. Test burns following EPA-approved test methods concluded that sewage sludge burns cleanly, completely, and consistently. It emits minimal air pollutants, and the residual ash was non-hazardous and reusable. Let's once again review the energy that is being recovered with anaerobic digestion and what is available. The Uzelac BMS system will completely and effectively recover 100% of the available energy. What other green initiative can you think of that can be this effective? Using the BMS system to manage biosolids will drastically reduce natural gas costs, cut transportation costs, reduce or eliminate disposal costs, and shrink operating costs. All of this adds up to major savings or increased profits to a WWTP. This chart shows this management method has the lowest carbon footprint of any other management method. The Uzelac BMS system either meets or exceeds EPA regulations. Because the BMS system is not classified as a sewage sludge incinerator, the system meets the much more stringent CISWI rules. As a CISWI unit, the BMS system emits far less air pollution than sewage sludge incinerators are allowed to emit. It is truly a green solution. Pollutants like hydrogen chloride, lead, mercury. As you consider the right choice for your biosolids management, remember the BMS system has a lower capital cost. It virtually eliminates fossil fuel usage. It has a small requirement for ongoing operational costs. It has the lowest carbon footprint of all management methods. It conserves our future with a green solution with an effective ROI. It is the best choice for your biosolids management. Please contact us for more personalized information regarding how the Uzelac Industries BMS would fit into your facility plans. We look forward to working with you.